Hello everyone. It's Sia from Think and Startup event. Our group has decided about an innovative invention idea. So basically, our idea is to make a football which will determine power and accuracy when we kick it. So I want your opinion, like is this useful? Would you buy it in future if it would be invented? And do you think it's a great idea? So let's start with Manya.
Yes, it is very great and innovative idea. It will help us to study the speed and velocity of the object, and especially for the beginners who want to study in this field. And further, we regard of some changes. It will help us in rocket as it will tell the power of the engine, and then we can calculate the speed and distance for it.
So thank you, Manya. Now we will start with Yasvi. Yashvi, please give your opinion.
Hello.
Yashvi,
Yeah.
please give your opinion.
I think this is a great idea. It is really useful for beginners, and if in future I be interested in football, I will definitely buy this football. Thank you.
So thank you, Manya and Yashvi, for your wonderful opinion.